Now, this is a female voice of 25 to 35 years old that I'm using to talk to you guys right now as we speak. Okay? Now, let me change over to a male voice. This is a 40 to 50 years old
man. Now, this is a 40 to 50 years old man voice. I am not forming, I'm using my normal voice. See, okay, make I speak broken, another form. Make sure you watch this video to the end or you won't miss any update I'm going to give in this video. This is 40 to 50 years old man. You can see my accent. I can speak broken, I can speaking it in sort of when I no go face say yes. I did form Jan, another form Jan, I did talk as my voice be, but this voice, premium voice and accent changer changes everything for you. Gives you the American or British accent. It works on all platforms, WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, everything. It works on even direct call. So it's not like there's a limit to what you can do with this, and you can even clone your own voice and still get a British or American accent from that voice that you cloned. Okay, let me go over to another voice, which is, this is a 25 to 5 years old man.
You guys can see as this one sound, this is a 25 to 35 years old man. Sorry, you guys will not think that I always mix things up. No, I am not filming to talk. I am just talking with my real voice, African voice. Now, this is another voice. This is a 45 to 55 years old woman.
You guys can hear this voice. This voice is 45 to 55 years old woman. Now, let me go to another voice. This voice is 50 to 65 years old man.
You guys can hear this voice. 50 to 65 years old man. Okay, that's another voice that I like so much. Okay, you can clone your voice, don't forget, and still give it British or American accent. Now let me show you guys this voice. I love this voice. This voice is 60 to 70 years old man.
You guys got here, this is 60 to 70 years old man voice. Now let me go to a younger person's voice, a man voice, younger person. Okay? So this voice is 18 to 30 years old.
This is 18 to 30 years old man voice, right? You guys can hear it. If you still speak broken, anyone where you speak gas saint will always be there. Now let me show you an 18 to 30 years old girl.
Now, this is 18 to 30 years old girl, as you guys can hear the voice. And I'm going to still show you another voice, which is the 18 to 30 years old girl, big friend voice.
Now you guys can hear this one. This is Tati, 18 to 30 years old. This is 18 to 30 years old girl. So, if you want to see a full video on how I made this video, full video on YouTube, okay? We have to click the link below this video and what default. And for those of you that need this software, this is premium, is expensive. Let it not be there when you come. First of all, I have to spec your system. You know if your system can be able to power it. Secondly, is expensive. Okay, so but it's premium, is not just meant for everybody. Is one in a million. You would never find a software anyway. Let me not say you can try. Go to YouTube and go to Google and such and go to Dark Web. You can get this. So for those of you that wants it, okay, hit me up. And my WhatsApp, if I have my WhatsApp, you can also hit me up
on my Instagram page. All right, here's my Instagram handle in front of this video. Right, so I just want to share this with you guys so that you guys will know that there are new premium voice changer and accent changer that you can use to make call in all platform and even direct call, and you can even clone any voice of your choice and make it to have British or American accents.